Hi there. Right, come with me. I'm going to show you something. And what I've got you to show you, I think you're going to like this. I'll switch the camera around. Okay, so as you can see, I've got a pair of jeans here and I'm just about to shorten jeans. Now, for those of you who don't know to shorten jeans, this is a great thing. So you've got your jeans ready to be shortened and got all of your sewing equipment and everything ready. And we have here a tablet. Now I'm just going to switch this on. This is a Samsung tablet. And I'm going to go to the Sewing Guru website. I'm going to click on there because I want to know how to make jeans. So we're going to just log in. There it is. I'm just going to put, I've got my saved details there. So we're logging in. Right. So I want to know how to shorten a pair of jeans. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be shortening a pair of jeans. So clothing alterations. Click on that. Oh yes, there we go. So clothing alterations, and it's under trouser alterations. Click on there, and straight away we have here shortened jeans. So you've got a video next to that. When the video loads in, we just have a look. So it's loaded in, right? Now, of course, it depends on how quick your internet speed is. Now, that's quite quick. Put it in full screen. Look at that. Welcome to Sewing Repairs and Alterations. How to shorten jeans.
Welcome to Sewing Repairs and Alterations. Now, in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to shorten the classic pair of jeans.
Isn't that brilliant?
Now,
and you can fast forward. Let's go to halfway through the video. Of course, it'll buffer in. Depends how quick your internet speed is. There. So you can basically go to anywhere in the video. Absolutely anywhere. Just pause that. And we'll go back to the main panel now. But basically what it was to show you that if you don't know what you're doing or you want to learn how to do something, you've got the Sewing Guru right here next to your sewing machine while you learn how to make whatever you're doing or shortening jeans or whatever. Now, like I say, the Sewing Guru website is absolutely unbelievable. Now, this is a full membership, this one. Now, if you wanted to sign up for a free membership, you can. So I'll just log out. And as you can see, this is what you get. So, in fact, what I'll do is I'll show you how to get there. So what you need to do is go to Google and type in thesewingguru.com or just the Sewing Guru. Click on there and it takes you to the website. And if you click on here, it says free membership. Click there and it'll take you to the free sign up form. It's really straightforward and you can then sign up and become a free member. Okay, so I'm going to go back to that and I'm going to log in. I'm going to show you what you get in here. There we go. Right, so this is the main panel. So as you can see, we've got beginners courses. So this is for the beginners. If I click on that, you've got beginners courses, sewing machine course, and a beginners course. And if I click into one of them, say for instance the beginners course, you have then an entire sewing course of 21 exercises. Now that's just the beginners course. Okay, we'll go back to the main menu. So you've got your beginners courses, you've got advanced lessons, clothing alterations, measuring, sewing crafts. Now the sewing crafts section is huge as well. Petwear collections, absolutely massive petwear collections, massive section there. Patterns construction, accessories, so it's like ties, cravats, bow ties, etc., all that kind of thing. Skirt collection, jacket, standard collections, a Tailor jacket there, standard wear, jacket with a shawl collar, dress, how to make a dress, the jacket, Tailor jacket, the industrial wear, ladies Tailor jacket, waistcoat, gents trousers, jeans collection, waistcoat with lapels, and it just goes on and on. Gents Tailor trousers, ladies trousers, the tunic, pajamas, even pajamas, and the gents shirt. And it's huge. These collections are massive and they're all step by step. So for instance, the clothing alterations, we were going to look at that. And then you've got this massive section. Jacket alterations, trousers, shirts, coats, skirt alterations, waistcoat, leather alterations, curtain alterations, dress alterations. So it's all there. It's massive. And I just wanted to come on and show you how fantastic a concept this really is, because you can put this on any device, works on a mobile phone, tablet, so Android tablet, works on the iPad, so it's all Apple devices, and it works on a PC computer as well. And as you can see, it's right next to my sewing machine, ready to learn if you needed to know something. And what the brilliant thing about this is you can dip in and out of it. So I'm going to shorten a pair of jeans here, and I'll be using the Sewing Guru site as well. Now, if you sign up, you can sign up for a free membership, but if you sign up fully, what happens is you will get a couple of freebies. We have here exclusive sewing e-tips, okay? And this as well is really big. So you've got all these e-tips here, massive amount of e-tips. As you can see, it's just, and you can download these, keep these forever, and they're yours. So you've got a massive amount here of e-tips. So that's a book that you get as well. And you also get the Sewing Guru welcome pack. Now, if you're interested, I've got a bit of an offer really. If you're interested, what you could do is you could send us your email through the contact us form, and I will send you a link for these exclusive sewing e-tips if you like. Okay, so you don't need to join up for a full membership to get these. I can actually send you these anyway. But I know that you would get these as you would as a full member. So I just wanted to come on and show you that as well. Now, we have an amazing offer on at the moment to join the Sewing Guru as a full member, and you've got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of sewing videos in there. And it's an offer for 12 months, and it's a huge reduction from the main price. It really is. And it's on the main site. If you don't see the link, and if you're interested in that, email us again and I'll send you the link, and you'll be able to join at a massive, massive reduction for 12 months. So you'll be able to go on the site and look around at your leisure, because it does take a long time to look at the whole site, but you can look around at your leisure and you've got 12 months to do it. And it's an amazing offer. It's one of those offers that you can't refuse to do. Okay, so if you can't see the link, send me your email and I will send you an amazing offer to join for 12 months. Now, the Sewing Guru website is a massive learning resource. So I just thought I'd come on and show you about the Sewing Guru and how fantastic it is to learn next to your sewing machine. But not only that, you can take the Sewing Guru anywhere with you. So if you're doing sewing classes somewhere, you can take it with you because it fits on your mobile phone. So thanks for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye for now.